Hey everybody, this is Kyle from Accountingfly, and today I want to show you how to use the Accountingfly applicant tracking system. To get started, you'll want to make sure you are logged in and on your job dashboard. You can do that by clicking this dashboard link in the top right corner. At the top of the dashboard, first you'll see your current packages. If you've bought a job package from us, you will see the name of the package and how many jobs you have remaining. And remember that this number remaining can be used to post a new job or to relist an expired job. Underneath your packages, you'll have a button to post a new job, and under that, your listings are shown in this table. This table will have not only your active listings, but also your expired listings. You'll notice that on the expired listings, you still have access to your applications. So don't worry, if your job expires, you will still have all of those resumes, emails, and information on those applicants. One thing you will not see is if you delete a listing entirely using this delete button here. If you do that, you will lose all your applications, all your resumes, and everything. So unless you want that to happen, don't click this delete button. When you hover over a job, you'll have a few options. You'll have an edit button, mark filled, duplicate, and as we mentioned, delete. Edit, of course, gives you the opportunity to adjust your description, your job title, etc. Marking as filled is a way to stop applications from coming in before your job expires. So if you still have a job that is active but you no longer want to accept applications, click mark as filled, and any potential applicants that view your job will see that the job has already been filled. Duplicate right here is a great way to post a job that is exactly the same, but maybe it's in a different location, or it's a very similar job and you don't want to have to copy and paste a whole lot of information. Now, to access our applications, we're just going to click on the number right here next to the job. You'll see at the top, these job applications are for remote accountant. You can click this link here and you can view the listing just as a candidate would. You can also download a CSV of the applicants and all of their information. All right, so let's dive into our applications a little bit. I've got 3 applicants here. You can see on each applicant card is their name, their rating, their current application status, we'll get to that in a second, their application date, and a row of icons. I'm going to scroll down here to Jim, and I'm going to click on this first icon called Details. Now this will open up the applicant card so that I can see the information they provided on their application. On the left here is their cover letter, and then in this box is their first name, last name, email address, their public accounting experience, if they're eligible to work in the U.S. without current or future work authorization sponsorship, and also some tags that the applicants can self-select, like CPA, 0, Big 4 experience, etc. I'm going to go ahead and close the applicant card and take a look at some of the other icons. Clicking the paperclip icon will open their resume. Clicking the envelope icon will open your default email program and start a new email to the email address provided by the applicant. If you click on the speech bubble, you'll be able to take a private note on the candidate that only you can see. You can see I've already added a couple. I'm just going to go ahead and add this one again so you can see how it works. Click Add Note. You'll see that it's been added and that the others are timestamped. So earlier I changed Jim's application status from new to interviewed, and that was actually captured as a note. I'm going to go ahead and close the notes. Finally, the pencil icon allows you to edit the application status and rating of this applicant. You can see that I already changed Jim from new to interviewed, but I'll go ahead and say that he's been hired and he was definitely 5 out of 5 stars. I'm going to click Save Changes. Now that I've got a few applicants, I can filter these applicants by status. So if I only want to see the new applicants, I can click New, and you'll see that I don't have any new applicants. There's no one in that current status. If I return to filter by status, it will clear the selected status so I can see all of my applicants now. You can see that Angela Martin is in the interviewed status. So if I click on interviewed, I will just be given her applicant card. Again, I'll go back to view all of my applicants. And now I have some sorting features. I can sort by the newest application first. I can sort by name, which uses the first letter of their first name, or I can sort by rating, which will be a top-down sort from highest rated to lowest rated. This has been a look at the Accountingfly applicant tracking system. If you have any more questions about how the rest of Accountingfly works, you can take a look at the help link that is in the right column of your dashboard. Thank you for watching, and thank you for choosing Accountingfly.